Now, in the results, be very clear and just say what you found. And you organize that in terms of your hypotheses. If you've got 3 hypotheses, you would say, hypothesis 1, here's what I found. Hypothesis 2, here's what I found, etc. Or the variables. If you've got different kinds of critics talking about The Great Gatsby, for example, you might have the British critics, American critics, feminist critics, whatever, new critics, deconstructionist critics, okay, and you would organize your results that way, all right? If you're doing quantitative research, you should use tables and or figures. I'll explain the difference in a minute. And in the results, if you're doing a classic scientific paper, in the results, you just present what you found, just the numbers, just the interview excerpts, okay? Because you're going to give your own interpretation in a separate place. Now, what's a figure? A figure is this. It's anything that's got graphic material, all right? And it's numbered, figure 2. These are the way people answered a particular question in a questionnaire. So I've given the question there, and I've counted up, there's 200, how many people responded, and they had multiple choice. They could select, multiple choice. They could select more than one answer. So I'm just explaining that 389 responses, and that's what you get. It's nice, actually, because this is all the people, all the scholars, all the academics, well, 296 of them, who I asked them, have you ever translated or interpreted? And only 13 said they had never done so, which means that when we report that, we can say more than 95% of translation scholars have translated or interpreted regularly. That's because everybody says we've never done it, we don't know how to do it. Not true, and we've got the data. So this is a very, very important figure, okay? Because it's got pictures, graphic material. This, however, is a table, and a table does not have graphic material, and it just have numbers. So it's exactly the same data that I just presented there, explained here, but here we're giving the groups, and we're giving the primary and secondary activity, which is more detailed. And then again, down here, by reported age. Okay, so we're looking at the age of the participants. So from the questionnaire, we present a series of tables like this. If you do a questionnaire, hey, you get lots of numbers very quickly, and it's really fast to write your report at the end, because you just cut and paste the numbers, you know, from the Excel file into your thesis and talk about what they mean. Good way to do your research paper. Much easier than your literature, analyzing texts and things like that. Okay.